Hello designers, this is Rebecca, and this is your assignment for user interface or package design. So I'm going to start with the user interface designs, and then we'll go over the package designs. For the assignment overview, you were to develop either a UI, user interface design, or package design for your business. These are all Victorian based, right? So the guidelines and specs for the option number 1, UI design, was to create a website for a mobile device and a homepage for a tablet and a smartphone. With the digital wireframes, I wanted you to research websites related to your business and note the sites, the content, the layout, etc. Set 768 pixels wide for tablet view and 375 pixels wide for smart view phone. And then, smartphone view. And then black and white, use a black and white visual guide that represents the skeletal framework of a website to arrange elements using placeholder boxes and labels. You can use Adobe XD for this. You must have layout changes between the tablet and the smart view. You can't just make them look the same, but only change the content dimensions. And then you must label each part of the content clearly. For example, the history and mission, product description, contact us, and address with the address and email, etc. And then for your digital layouts, you're to use wireframes as a layout guide and design each view with content. Require actual content, including logos, text, imagery with colors and type decisions. And then for your required elements, you are to use your site ID, your logo or symbol, and title, navigation buttons, a search box, color typography and imagery, icons, contact information, and include the copyright info. Great, so let's take a look at our 3 submissions for the UI. So this is Gia's black and white comps. So we've got the mobile layout here. Let me just scroll. I think that's going to work better. There we go. We have the about section. Okay, good. We have a nice quote. Love it. And then we have, excellent, all of the things that you'll see. Good. And then awesome. So we have like a merch section and another little quote. That's cute. I love it. Great. All right, an email list looks good. Okay, so now here's the, let me zoom out a bit. This is for the website, I'm sorry, for the tablet view. Okay, excellent. Good, good, good. Looks good. Great. These buttons could be a little more exciting, but we'll see how it looks in the final comp. Pretty, really nice hero image. That looks awesome. Beautiful. And we have the little logo at the top in our search area and our menu, hamburger menu. Great. Nice call to action. Nice and great contrast. Great. More illustrations. Looks good. This is really nice with the smoke. So here I would recommend changing your the like byline or the quote part, not the quote. The quote looks lovely up here. This is just very small text here. So I think that you could change it to this just this regular sans serif body copy font. And so it'll just also change up the information hierarchy a little bit, make that font smaller like you have it just in a different typeface there. Okay, looks nice. Okay, so these icons, I think your smoke could be a little swirlier, and because right now it's looking sort of like water, like wiggling water. So if you made it swirlier, that would be better. This take flight, I believe this is a cape, but it's not quite reading like that. Uh, yeah, it's just looking like a swatch of color. This is definitely recognizable, and that's working. So really nice there. So maybe if this cape had like a little bit more detail in it, like I know that you're trying to keep these flat, um, simple graphics, but it does need something else to it. Like here, there's just more dimension, even though it's flat, there's more dimension. And yeah, okay. And I love all these buttons. They're looking great. You could jazz up these buttons with some, I'm sorry, let me just scroll up and see. was going to say with some ornaments, you know, from your logo, but never mind. We don't need that. Okay, skip that. For your magic shop, yeah, looks great. That works. So with these magic shop images, you have these like dark, full boxes, and then you have this one with a stark white background. So I recommend changing, at least changing the color of that white background so that it's a little more consistent throughout those three images there, okay? Good. Same thing here with changing the Lawrence post to that sans serif font. All right, okay, and we don't need so much space. Oh, never mind. I guess we kind of do. No, I don't think we do. I think you can get rid of some of this extra space here on that area. All right, very simple and clean. Good. Now here's the tablet layout, and I love this hero image. I love the texture in it. It's really pretty, and I think more could be done with this brooch as far as using it in other places because it's beautiful. But this looks nice with your navigation at the top there and your logo in the corner. It's working. I don't see a search text field here, so I do recommend throwing in that icon or another menu item called search, okay? And, or, you know, a search text field. Great. Looks good. Yeah, so if you change those things in the mobile view, be sure to change them here in the tablet view. I wouldn't have this be a button with wrapped text because you have so much room here. Just center that button and stretch the text all on one line because that's how all your other buttons are. There's no wrapping of the text. Never mind, don't center it because all of your buttons are aligned left, so that's okay. Just stretch out that text and make it a long button. I think that's fine. See, because these guys are pretty long. Yeah, that looks good. Great. So instead of a contact button, you can just list the contact information right below that email list. We don't need to, no, never mind. You have a contact page, so keep the contact button. Okay, great. And you have your copyright info. Good work. Way to go. Thank you, Gia. Next up is Valerie. So here is Valerie's tablet view. And if we were to flip it vertically, then this is what, cute. Love it. Great. It looks great. I like your use of columns. I think it looks really nice. This hero image is really wonderful. I haven't seen her yet, and I love her. Cute. And you use some rounded corners. Looks nice. All these little call to actions. I'm just reading all the info. All right, cool. And this is fun too, this little merch area. Sorry. Hey, get out of there. This little merch section at the bottom is really nice, and I see your I'm sorry, your copyright info. Now here's our phone with the vertical layout. Looks good. Oh, and we have a little side scroll there. That's nice. Same with this one here, so it works as like a carousel. Yeah, this is fun. Really good. I think that so the only thing I see is your navigation dropped down here, and I would keep it at the top. You could even make it a hamburger menu like you did over here. That's acceptable on a tablet. So yeah, overlapping it over her body is just, we're losing some stuff. And that might have been an accident, but yeah. I do like the navigation here with this darker background, but I'm not sure how that will work with the logo. I mean, I love what you did over here with centering that logo, so that's an option. Okay, I think that, I see. You're kind of centering your navigation with the logo, and that doesn't need to happen. I think you should top align all of it with the logo. Just give her a little extra space there. All right, great, looks good. Let's go ahead and see what's next. So we have a close-up view of the show times and the mobile view there. So for this mock-up, let me come back to that. Okay, Yeah, so if you fix this navigation and make it higher or change it to your hamburger menu and put your logo up here, then just fix the mockup. This looks nice. I love this detail a lot. It's really cool. Great. Okay, excellent. Okay, so this isn't the most exciting view of this layout. And I know you're just trying to show some detail there, which is nice. I do like those little details, but I'd rather see like this section, the new arrival section, or the heading, the hero image on this layout. Okay. Yeah, great. Sorry, I keep hitting that. Excellent. Nice work. Thank you. Next up is Tam. So we've got the tablet layout here. Beautiful. Really nice. So we have a nice navigation menu there with the search field. Our logo's nice and big at the top, and we've got this gorgeous hero image in purple. Oh, that's really nice. Really great contrast. I love the smoke. Beautiful work. It looks really good. This yellow text over the purple is working. It's really working for me, and I love it. I love what you did with your corners here on the buttons, and you have a nice little drop shadow there. Looks really good. Great call to action. You have your little mission statement with these beautiful borders, and then your hearts as little extra ornaments. I love it. Really, really awesome. Great way to incorporate Victorian design into this modern technology. Really cool. And then you have your show times. Great. So I recommend if you're going to do this to buttons, do it to all the buttons. The indented the well, it's not a comp chamfer, but it's an inverse. I'm trying to think what the term is in Illustrator. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. Inverse rounded corners. Go ahead and do that everywhere. You can do it on this image. It's do it on all the buttons, okay? Then the other thing is let this be your button size as far as for learn more, make learn more the same size as the get tickets. Then people just are recognizing what's a button on your site. I know that sounds a little goofy, but um, if it's a different size, then it might just not register immediately, you know? And this is beautiful, this review section. I love it. I love these ornaments. I love your use of your heading text, and your body copy is very easy to read. I like this 5 stars. Really good stuff. Footer looks great. I don't see the copyright info. Let me just scroll a little bit. No. So just make sure you have your copyright info super tiny down there at the bottom in your footer. Okay. So here's the mobile view. Awesome. Looks great. So something's going on with the centering. Oh, it's these guys. Okay, never mind. These guys got pushed to the left a bit because you have these little keys next to it. So that's cool. That's fine. But yeah, same thing. So I recommend, treating all the buttons the same way as you treated the Get Tickets button and giving Learn More the same size as the Get Tickets button. If you want to leave the dates not indented, that's cool. That's fine. I just think the ones that, call for action should look the same. Looks good. So this one does have the copyright info, so just make sure you throw that on the tablet layout. Great, and here's your mock-up. Let me zoom in on that. Great. Looks amazing. Wonderful work. Thank you so much, Tam. All right, next we're going to get into the package design. So let's check out our specs for that. So option 2, package design, you're going to make a box and a label for a product. So you'll include an explanatory sketch that's hand-drawn. It will have your box structure and the PPD, which is the primary display panel, layout with content. You'll have your label layout with content, which is necessary text, information, and imagery. Then for the digital design draft, you'll create the content design of the box and label with all design decisions made, the box design on die line, which is the flat design of the box and content design, and then you'll label the flat design with content design. The required elements are the brand market name, product name, ingredient copy, if it's, something that you ingest. Net weight, the nutritional information, also if it's food, expiration, hazards, direction, dosage, instructions, all those good things, and a barcode. They didn't have barcodes back then, but we are having barcodes this time. For assignment scope, all options must use color and fonts in your branding, be created in Illustrator and or Photoshop and exported as a PDF. You have to only use Victorian-inspired fonts. You can't include any typos, and they should be compiled into a multi-page PDF. So just to review, this is the package, the thing that the product goes in, and then this is the label, the sticker that goes on the product container. All right. All right, let's go ahead and see which turned in. All right. So here's Gerard's box here with our flat layout. Looks good. We can see all the panels. So here's the main panel. Looks nice. All right. And I like this down here. Excellent. We've got your logo on there at a good scale that we can see everything. This is nice and big. I love these swirlies. Really fun. Great. Okay. Now here's your ingredients and your directions. Easy enough. And then here's our warning. Let's see. Women should not drink alcohol. Good. During pregnancy, I mean. Good. Okay, cool. And we have our barcode. Excellent. All right, let's keep going. All right. So this is the label. Looks good so far. I don't see the logo on the label, the Nightmare Alley logo. Oh, pretty. That's cool. So it's a nice round bottle. I like this little sticker at the top. That looks great. Looks good. So maybe you could include the Nightmare Alley on the lid or something. That might be the easiest way to incorporate. Then you don't have to change your layout anywhere. Just a thought. Maybe just the moon in the Nightmare Alley. Okay, that could be really cool. All right, looks great. Great job, Gerard. Next up is Ryan. Good, here's your sketches. Oh, Gerard, I didn't see your sketches in there. Okay, looks good. Good problem solving. Excellent. All right. Great. So we're selling a stone. I'm just reading the instructions. All right, yeah. Just a stone that you sit on your head. Looks good. It's perfect. It's like a real nice little snake oil thing. Easy package. Good. Looks good. All the die lines. Great. Great. Yeah, looks good. Really nice mock-up there. So we don't have a label. Oh, wait. Hold on. I'm not done yet. Let's see. Good. Good instructions and barcode, empty box. Okay. There it is. Cute. Seal. Misty's magic seal. Hold on. I'm not getting the seal part. I think it should be the stone, right? I'm confused. Okay. Well, I like the way that you laid this out. It looks like a sign. You know, you use that formula, and I think it looks really good. The only thing is, I'm just not getting the word seal. I think it should say Misty's Magic Stone. Okay. But this is a beautiful mock-up. I'm glad you found something like this. It's pretty cool. All right. Thanks, Ryan. Actually, before I sign off, I wanted to go over, I love all these little details of this ornament, the way you overlapped this banner over this diamond shape looks really great, and uh, the color palette looks fantastic. All of your information hierarchy is really fantastic. I love that you made feel the power larger than the other two steps, and how you colored your numbers on the side. All the details look fantastic. All right. Next up is Abigail. So here's your sketch. Really cute. Good problem solving. Yeah, looks good. Excellent. Good, good, good. All right, let's keep going. Great. Ooh, the individual candy wrappers look so cute with the little icons on there. Really nice. I like the die cut window there. Your nutrition label looks good and your ingredients. Corn syrup is the first thing. Just joking. This is nice. A nice addition, the Royal Confections there. Looks great. right, all right. Beautiful. Excellent. Great, great. So I don't know what's going on with these watermarks on there. So if there's a way to get rid of the watermarks, that would be better. And then I don't know if there's also a way to show the candy. If you could find a mock-up of some wrapped candy to label these guys on there. And then do you mention the flavors? Let's see. No. So yeah, so I do recommend like maybe including a flavor under each color there. But yeah, other than that, it's lovely. Really nice. Great. Next up is Naya. Here's Naya's sketch. I love that you just sketched right on the die line template. I think it's fantastic way to just, use that to your advantage because it is a little bit complicated down here. So this is a really good solution for that. And up here at the top there, really cool. This is a lovely template. Great. All right. So good problem solving there, and you get an idea of what it's going to look like. Excellent. So here it is all finished and it's beautiful. I love the warm paper texture in the background, and this monochrome color palette is really beautiful. This is really nice what you did here over the die cut window there. Looks really great with his name, and all the text looks fantastic. I love this starburst there, and these little constellations that you made everywhere are really neat, really beautiful. This looks great, your warning and your barcode and the logos on there looks good. This is cool, this star up here, and I love that you added the story on the background. Really beautiful. All right, and then it comes with instructions. Cool. Okay, I'm just reading. Great, great. Excellent. All right, cool. So I think you might want to put somewhere on here not to drink it because I'm not sure if it's something you drink. It looks like you just open the bottle and sit it on the windowsill. So that might be something you want to include. So then I don't see any mock-ups of the finished product or the bottle itself or the label that goes on the front of the bottle. So I would love to see that in your final presentation. All right. Great work, everybody. I can't wait to see your finals. Thank you so much.